field. Art and sustainability. As environmental issues become increasingly urgent, artists are using their work to raise awareness and promote sustainable practices. From creating sculptures and installations made from recycled materials to using art to highlight the impact of climate change. Art is playing an important role in promoting sustainability and encouraging action. Art and activism. Art is being used as a powerful tool for activism, with artists creating works that address social and political issues and inspire change. From public installations to street art and performance art, artists are using their work to raise awareness and challenge the status quo. Artificial intelligence and creativity. Artificial intelligence is being used to explore the relationship between technology and creativity. With AI-generated art challenging our understanding of what it means to be creative. While AI-generated art is still in its early stages, it offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential of technology to push the boundaries of what is possible in art. Collaborative art. Technology is facilitating new forms of collaborative art, allowing artists and creatives from around the world to work together on projects and share ideas. From online platforms that allow artists to collaborate on digital artworks to social media networks that connect artists with potential collaborators, technology is breaking down barriers and opening up new opportunities for artistic collaboration. Art and gaming. Gaming is increasingly becoming a popular platform for artists to showcase their work and engage with audiences. From creating video games that explore social issues to designing interactive installations that use gaming technology, artists are using gaming as a tool for creative expression and social engagement. Art and education. Technology is being used to create new opportunities for art education and to engage students in new and innovative ways. From online art classes to interactive digital textbooks and virtual field trips, technology is revolutionizing the way that art is taught and learned. Art and mental health. Art is being used as a therapeutic tool for mental health, with technology providing new opportunities for people to explore their creativity and express themselves through art. From digital art therapy apps to virtual reality experiences, technology is making art more accessible and beneficial for mental health. Art and accessibility. Technology is being used to make art more accessible to people with disabilities, with innovations such as 3D printing, audio descriptions, and braille labels making it easier for people with visual or physical impairments to engage with art. This is helping to create a more inclusive and diverse art world. Art and globalization. Technology is breaking down the barriers between cultures and countries, making it easier for artists from different parts of the world to connect and collaborate. From online art communities to virtual exhibitions and international art fairs, technology is promoting a more global and interconnected art world. Art and innovation. Art is increasingly being used as a tool for innovation, with artists working with scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs to develop new technologies and products. From designing innovative products to creating new forms of sustainable architecture, art is playing an important role in driving innovation in a variety of fields. Art and social media influencers. Social media influencers are increasingly partnering with artists to promote their work and reach new audiences. From featuring art in sponsored posts to collaborating with artists on new projects, social media influencers are providing new opportunities for artists to gain exposure and build their careers. Art and environmentalism. Art is being used as a tool to promote environmentalism and raise awareness about the impact of human activities on the planet. From using recycled materials to create sculptures to creating installations that highlight the impact of climate change, artists are using their work to inspire action and encourage sustainability.